Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a box for you today and it is Mint Mongoose. And if you don't know what Mint Mongoose is, it is a jewelry subscription box and it is $12 a month. You get 3 pieces of jewelry and it is usually amazing. So, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for returning. Glad and happy to have your support. If you're yet to subscribe, please go ahead and click the subscribe button on your way out. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. I like the thumbs up button. Lets me know that you guys are out there. So, here is the little package. I already took it out of the little pretty mint green bag. That little bag is so cute. I just love that color. So let's break into this. And it comes with I don't know what you, kind of like it's a stamp. They stamp it and it's kind of, it's on a ribbon. Oh, look at that. It just comes right off. There it goes. So, my last Mint Mongoose box was amazing. Truly amazing. Oh, I dropped something. Uh-oh. Oh, goodness. That's what I dropped. A ring. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of, it looks like an arrow. There. It looks like an arrow. Just put that on so I don't drop it again. Oh, fit right on my pinky. It's I guess they call that adjustable. It's kind of cute. So, I got my little piece of candy. Get a piece of candy every month. I think it, yep, it's a Werther's original. And a little card that says thank you from Mint Mongoose, and then it says yay, it's here. So they're such a fun company. I do like their company. It comes in this cute little mint tissue paper, all nicely wrapped up for you. Oh, goodness. Let's see here. I got some earrings, and this is how it comes in the little packaging. And that card says spend $40 on individual items in our online shop and receive your next box free. So let's see. These are earrings. If I can get them out of the little package, would be okay. They do definitely package them very well. Okay, let's see. I'm going to show you these. Don't fall. Please don't fall. Probably my nails are going to just distract, but we're going to try it this way and see if it works this way. But there they are. Kind of looks kind of like turquoise, kind of. And they're just little stud earrings. Come on, cooperate. They're just little stud earrings. Can't really tell with my nails. Sorry about that, but there they are. Yep, they're just little stud earrings. Let me see if I can put them in. If I can put them in. My ears have been giving me problems lately. Don't know why. They just don't want to seem to go in my ears. There it goes. These backs, I don't really care for these type of backs, but we'll just get them in there. Come on. Well, let's go. There it goes. There. You see them? They're kind of cute. Little studs. Little studs. Let me see if I can get the other one in, and then we will look at the rest of my box. Now, they sent me an email, and asked me if I wanted to pay for an extra necklace, but I don't know if I got it. We'll see. Get this other earring in, you guys. Earrings are a pain in the butt sometimes. Get in there. Oh my goodness. Let's go. There we go. Kind of cute. Okay, now again, get that little pretty little card. Oh, it doesn't look like there's 2 necklaces in here, which saddens me a little bit. I may have to email the company because I still have the email where they said they were going to send me a second necklace, but I did not receive a second necklace. Oh, I've seen this necklace. Another YouTuber had gotten it. There we go. Come on, flip around. And that matches the earrings. And then there's a little, come on now. Am I holding it wrong? There we go. And then it has an arrow, and then a long, there, the arrow at the bottom. Well, it's kind of cute. And it matches the earring, so that's kind of cute. Let's see if I can get this on. My nails sometimes don't like to cooperate, so let's see here. There we go. And that's kind of cute. What do you guys think? Very cute. Very cute. So, everything matched this box. Okay, the ring has got an arrow on it right there, as you can see. And then the arrows on the necklace. That's kind of cute. And then, of course, the green in the earrings. So, I kind of like this one too. Awesome, awesome. Definitely, this is my second box, and I think I'm definitely going to keep getting this every month. I think the jewelry is fantastic. It's well worth the $12. And they're beautiful pieces. So, just beautiful. I like those. They kind of go with my eyes because my eyes are green, so I try to wear a little bit more green than normal. So, if you want to try out Mint Mongoose, I'll leave a link down below where you can click on it and try it out for yourself. So, nothing wrong with getting jewelry. All us girls love getting jewelry, so that is it, my friends, for this video. It's a short and sweet unboxing. Don't want to keep you long. Might have other videos to watch, or, you know, what have you. It's Friday night. Never know what other people are doing on Friday night. Me, I'm just hanging out. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Give me a big old thumbs up for this video. You can share this video if you'd like. Tell your friends about this video. Maybe they'll subscribe and join our family and make our family bigger and better. Okay, that's it, my friends. I will see you in another video.